Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing this fall vampy makeup tutorial. I never really use dark colors, so it's something different and I'm so excited for you guys to see. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm starting off with foundation and I'm using my Maybelline stick foundation. I don't know what color this is, but I'll make sure to list it down below. And like always, I'm going to be blending everything with my Fenty Beauty sponge. And to conceal, I'm going to be using my Born This Way concealer, and I usually apply a little bit more, but this time I didn't because this concealer is pretty thick, so you just need a little bit and you're good to go. To set everything, I'm going in with my Peach Perfect by ToFaced, and this powder doesn't give me flashback and it smells amazing. To bronze my face, I'm going in with my Hoola bronzer by Benefit, and the brush I'm using is a T20 by the Makeup Shack. For blush, I'm using Luminoso by Milani. And for highlight, I'll be using my Sleekmakeup Cleopatra's Kiss palette, and I pretty much just mix all of them and I just go ahead and apply it. The brush I'm using to apply the highlight is the Morphe M501, I believe, and it's one of the best highlighting brushes ever. So for today's makeup look, I'm going to be using the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette, and I believe it's called Ring the Alarm, and it's from the Vault collection. I recently got these, so I really wanted to try them, so here I am, and yeah, let's see what the tea is about. So let's go ahead and start with this eyeshadow called Rush, which is like an orange eyeshadow, and I'm using the Morphe G24 to blend this out. So I'm moving on to the next color, which is called Mugshot, and I'm placing this on the crease as well. So far, these colors are blending out very nicely. For the eyelid color, I'll be using this eyeshadow called Framed. It's like a plum, it's like a deep plum eyeshadow, which I love. And I'm applying this all over my entire eyelid. Now this color is so beautiful. I fell in love with it as soon as I applied it on my eyelid, but it gave me a hard time because it didn't want to blend. So I had to go in with my Morphe Y19 brush and more eyeshadow to blend the edges because it was looking very harsh. So I made it work and I actually really like it, but it was just giving me a hard time. And this was the only eyeshadow I had a problem with because the other ones were amazing. The lashes I'll be using today are by Koko lashes and they're called Amore. I've been getting a lot of compliments on these eyelashes, so I'm just like, I'm gonna keep buying them because they're so bomb. And I believe they're only like $8, so they're not expensive. For my inner corners, I'll be going in with On Camera, but I'm also going to be applying some glitter. So the eyes are all done. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Let me know down below. But now I'm going to be moving on to lips, and I'm going to be using this purplish lipstick by Kylie Cosmetics, and I believe it's called Courtney. The last thing I'll be doing is setting my entire face, and I'm using the Morphe setting spray. But I am all done with this Vampy makeup tutorial. Let me know if you guys like it down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up before you leave. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video.